How to remove Gmail account from Android phone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once this pop-up menu list opens, you want to scroll all the way down and click on the option that says manage accounts on this device. And here you will be redirected to this page in which you will be able to find all of the accounts on this device and manage them. So you need to look for the Gmail account that you want to remove. Click on it, and once you're here, click on remove account, and a confirmation box will appear that tells you removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. Do you want to continue? Click on remove account to confirm. And by doing that, the account will be deleted from the device. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove a Gmail account on an Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.